TruInfant IO Leg. The TruInfant IO Leg is a realistic task trainer for practicing the skills associated with intraosseous infusion of the tibia. This model is based on a 5-month-old infant. Featuring realistic anatomy, including the tibial tuberosity and patella, users can identify the proximal tibia intraosseous needle insertion site. Learners benefit from lifelike resistance when penetrating the medullary cavity and feedback with blood withdrawals to confirm successful technique. For more information or to speak to a product specialist, please contact us today.